Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're taking a closer look at the Stash app in 2025. Is it still worth your time and money? Let's find out. So, what is Stash? It's a personal finance app designed to help you invest, save, and manage your money, even if you're just starting out. The idea behind Stash is simple. Make investing approachable for beginners by offering fractional shares, automatic saving tools, and educational content. But has it improved over time? Or is it just another app with hidden fees? Let's start. With how it works, Stash allows you to start investing with as little as $5. You can choose individual stocks or ETFs and even get help building a portfolio through their Smart Portfolio option, which is fully automated and rebalanced for you based on your risk level. It's ideal for hands-off investors who still want their money to grow over time. One of the standout features of Stash is its Stockback card. It's a debit card that rewards you with stock every time you spend. If you shop at Amazon or Starbucks, you'll earn partial shares of those companies. It's a creative way to combine everyday spending with investing. Another helpful tool is the budgeting and savings features. You can set up goals, automate transfers into savings buckets, and track your spending right from the app. It's very beginner-friendly and meant to help users build better money habits. Now, let's talk about pricing. Stash offers 3 pricing tiers, $3, $5, and $9 per month. Each comes with more features, like access to retirement accounts, custodial accounts for kids, and even a life insurance offer on the higher tier plan. While the features are solid, the monthly fee can add up, especially if your account balance is small. So it's important to ask yourself if the tools you're getting are worth the cost. In terms of safety, Stash is backed by reputable financial institutions and offers SIPC insurance up to $500,000. Your data is also encrypted. A safe space to manage your finances. So, is Stash worth it in 2025? If you're just starting out, want to learn about investing, and need an all-in-one app that's easy to use, then yes, Stash can be a good option. But if you're a more advanced investor, or are concerned about the monthly fees, you might want to compare it with free alternatives or platforms with lower fees. That's it for today's review. Let me know in the comments if you've used Stash and what your experience has been. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest app reviews and personal finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.